The Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer boasts an impressive build volume of 11.8 by 11.8 by 15.7 inches, accommodating a wide range of 3D printing needs. Its stable triangular structure, reinforced with diagonal bars, minimizes vibrations and enhances printing precision, ensuring high-quality outputs. Equipped with an ultra-silent TMC2209 driver, this printer operates quietly, making it suitable for home and school environments. The open-source motherboard allows users to customize and experiment with their 3D printing projects by modifying the G-code. Filament, exhaustion detection, and resume printing functions ensure that the printing process is uninterrupted even during power failures, saving time and reducing material waste. Pre-assembled to 90%, the Longer LK5 Pro is beginner-friendly, and it comes with lifetime technical support and professional customer service available 24 hours a day.